How to reset a Fantasy Premier League password. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your FPL application from your device. Then you will see a page like this. Go on to Fantasy option at the bottom bar menu. Here you will see Sign In option. Tap on to Sign In. Now then tap on to Forgot Your Password. Type in the email address that is registered with your FPL account, then tap on Reset My Password. Now the reset instructions has been sent to that email address that you entered, so let's go ahead and check our email. You will receive an email like this. Under here, tap on to Change Password. Now type in the new password and confirm the new password again at this box below. Make sure that your password is at least 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase, and follows every of these criteria. Once done, tap on Change My Password. Then open your FPL app again, and you have to enter the email address and your new password. Once done, tap on to Sign In. That is how you can reset your FPL password. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on FPL, then do comment down below and we will catch you up in our next upload.